Welcome to Quest for Knowledge. As I was getting request from all the second PUC students to upload reduced syllabus video according to their subject. So I have decided to upload this video. This video is specially for the second PU student based for all the subjects. So this one is Kannada. As you can see, this all chapter is added. This all subject, I mean to say chapter, is deleted from Kannada. Please take a screenshot if you want to, so that it will be helpful for the future reference. This is English. You can see this 4th chapter is being deleted from English. Please take a screenshot if you want to. Hindi. This is Tamil. So this one is the deleted part. After Tamil, this is Telugu. So if you can't able to read Kannada, you can easily Google translate it by just taking the screenshot of that pic and uploading that pic in Google Translator. It will select all and you can easily translate all the Kannada thing into the any of the language you want to. This is Urdu. This is the deleted portion. After Urdu, this one is Sanskrit. So the down one is the deleted part, 8 and 10. This one is Arabic. French. So deleted part of French. After French we have Malayalam. This one is the deleted part, what you are watching it in the screen. History of Marathi, this is one. So these all are the deleted part. This is history. It is in complete Kannada. You can easily Google translate it, or else you can mark the subject, I mean to chapters you can mark it. These all are the deleted chapters from history. economics. So 5-6 chapter of each part is deleted in economics. This is state pathology. You can take a screenshot of it if you want to, and if you can't read Kannada, you can easily Google translate it. So these all are the deleted part of state pathology. Sociology. The deleted part of sociology. Please take screenshot if you want to, or else mark it so that it will be helpful for your future reference. Accounting. So 2, 4, 5, 6 chapter is reduced. This is matrix or max. You can see the deleted one, statistics. Many of them requested me to upload statistics syllabus. This one is electronics. Please take a screenshot of it. This is the reduced part, deleted part. Computer. Deleted part of computer. Psychology. Deleted part is 4 and 8 chapter. This one is also a psychology or critical thinking, I think so. But psychology. Home science. Please take a screenshot of it. Added and deleted portion of home science. Geography. These all are the added part. This is deleted part. Please take a screenshot or else mark it in your textbook. This is geography. This is optional Kannada syllabus. Logic. Hindustani music. Deleted part of Hindustani music. This is geology, subject wise, I mean to say chapter wise. Added part, that is a retained part. Take a screenshot of it or else mark it in your textbook for the future reference in a convenient manner. As you can see, according to the chapter wise added portions, this is deleted portions, subject wise, I mean to say chapter wise, one by one. Please take a screenshot of it or else mark it so that it could be very easy to refer it in future. Physics, chapter wise, retained portion and deleted portion. Only 4.4.2 cyclotron is deleted. Physics practical retained experiments. Take a screenshot of it. These all are the deleted experiments. Chemistry, chapter wise, retained and deleted portions. As you can see, these all are retained and deleted. Practicals, retained practicals. Deleted practicals. Max. Biology, subject wise retained and deleted portions. Practical, to be retained and deleted portions. So that is it. I hope it helps. Thank you. Do subscribe for coming latest updates.